to make at least $2,000 with no work with Bitcoin every day. For today's video, I will show you how to make at least $2,000 a day with Bitcoin without doing any work. You will be amazed when you see how easy it is to create a ton of money with Bitcoin. Hi there! Welcome to Altcoin Capital. This is the place where you get investing tips and information on the crypto market from people who have been investing in cryptocurrency for a few years now. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any new videos. Today, I want to share our secrets on how to make money with Bitcoin without any work at all. You're probably wondering, how is this possible? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way of earning Bitcoin without any work. It's called mining, and it's simple. If that's not enough for you, we'll also be using an automated trading program that will allow you to make money every single day from your own home with no work whatsoever. Sounds good? Let me take care of everything for you, so all you have to do is sit back and relax on your couch while making money like clockwork. Considering those who don't know what Bitcoin is but are watching this video, Bitcoin is a virtual or digital currency that uses equal privilege computing technology to facilitate payments instantly through peer-to-peer technology. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control. First, to start a system that will bring you money while sleeping, you will need a Bitcoin wallet. There are many wallets available, but we'll be using the popular blockchain wallet for this guide. Go to the website blockchain.info/wallet and click Get Started. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Remember this password, as there is no way to recover it if it's lost. Then, click Create New Wallet. You will be taken to your Bitcoin wallet page. Here, you can see your Bitcoin balance and your Bitcoin address. This is the address that you will use to receive Bitcoin. Other credible sites that can be used for making Bitcoin wallets are Coinbase, Zappo, and Red Wallet. These are just some of the more popular ones that are used today. All have their own unique way of handling a Bitcoin wallet, so it is best to explore and find the one that works best for you. One important thing to remember is to never store your Bitcoins on an exchange site. These are sites where you can buy and sell Bitcoins, but they are not wallets. Your Bitcoins are only safe if they are in your wallet, which we will talk about in another video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos to learn more. Now that you have your Bitcoin wallet set up, let's proceed to the next part. Oh, and take note, because this is where the magic begins. The next step is crucial because I'll show you how to set up the process needed to begin receiving money in autopilot mode. I know you're excited, so let's dive into it. You will now connect your Bitcoin wallet to different websites, which I also use to have a passive income using Bitcoin. The first website, which is necessary for automation, is faucet.dutchycorp.space. You will have to sign up and fill the form needed to create your account. This step is a must, or otherwise, the strategy will not work correctly. In other words, it will not generate the results that we seek. Make sure to use an accessible email because they will send a validation or confirmation link, just like when making an account on any social media platform. Another website that is a must is called expresscrypto.io. You will also have to sign up just like in faucet.pay.io. Enter your credentials and make sure that you enter your valid Bitcoin address. The Bitcoin address is like random letters and numbers combined, for those who don't know. But it isn't random, so make sure that you have the correct input. These websites will help in the process of automation. Now, we can receive money without our active confirmation, without having to worry about the process and the hassle just to receive the money. Now's a good time to invest in Bitcoin because of the dip in value these recent months, due to the proposed ban on cryptocurrencies in Russia and the fall in the US stock markets. Thus, you can accumulate a large number of assets in Bitcoin. In the past weeks, the stock market slowly recovered, and with it came the cryptocurrencies. So, if you're interested in what cryptocurrency is the best to invest your money with, be sure to subscribe to our channel to know which cryptocurrency you'll invest your money in. Now, how do we receive money if we're not making one? This step will show you the websites you'll need to integrate into your wallet to start making money and start your passive income. So stick with me through the end, because there will be a huge chance you'll get lost in the process if you decide to perform it on your own. This final step requires you to connect 3 websites. The first is autofaucet.dutchycorp.space, a powerful website that you'll be using to generate money. You need to register into this website just like you did with the recent websites I mentioned. This will ask for a verification in your email, and you'll need to click the validation link. Once you're logged into your account, you need to scroll down and see the Select a Payment Mode option to select the Express Crypto mode. After selecting Express Crypto mode, you can choose which cryptocurrency you would like to generate. But I prefer Bitcoin because the value is recovering and rising again. Then you'll have to input a CAPTCHA to continue and start autofaucet. Now you can see it generates money every 2 minutes, but you don't have to return to the website to collect your Bitcoin. The second is moonbit.co.in, where you can claim a small amount of Bitcoin every 5 minutes. And lastly is bitfund.co, another website where you can claim a few satoshis every 3 minutes. You don't have to worry about the CAPTCHA, because the extension that we will use will automatically input it for you. If it doesn't, the extension will notify you and ask for your permission to do so. The extension we will be using is called BitCAPTCHA and can be found in the Chrome Web Store. It's a convenient tool, and I suggest that you install it for future use, because it'll come in handy for other websites that require CAPTCHAs. After installing the extension, it's time to add the websites to your faucetpay.io account. This is very simple. Just enter the website name in the extension, and it will automatically input the address for you. Just copy and paste the address and hit enter if it doesn't. Again, make sure that you're logged into your faucetpay.io account. Once you've added all the websites, just go to the Extensions tab on the left side of the page and click on the BitCAPTCHA. You will see a list of all the websites you've added, and just toggle the button to enable. Now that you have added all the websites, it's time to add them to your Bitcoin wallet. That's the importance of the Bitcoin wallet in the first place, wherein we connect the wallet to the ExpressPay.io or FaucetPay.io. The ExpressPay.io or FaucetPay.io account serves as a bridge between your wallet and this website that generates the money. Now, you can have your passive income and auto-generate money while having leisure time or performing essential tasks. Other websites such as autofaucet.org and autoclaim.in also serve the same purpose as the autofaucet.dutchycorp.space. You also need to register into these 2 websites and click the validation link. But once you're in, you'll see that it generates money and requires you to perform no tasks to gain cryptocurrency. That's how you earn a passive income with Bitcoin. I know it's a lot of processes to do, and you might get lost in the middle. But if you follow everything that I've said, you'll be able to make money without doing anything. You can use the generated money for mining more cryptocurrencies, or just withdraw it from the bank. Let's keep that money flowing. So that's all for now, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of our uploads. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for our next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.